Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to talk about painting nature with watercolor. Nature has always been one of the greatest sources of inspiration for artists, from mountains and forests to rivers, flowers and cloudy skies. The natural world offers endless subject to paint. Watercolor is a perfect medium for capturing the beauty of nature because of its transparency, softness and flowing effect. When we paint nature, we learn to observe more carefully. We begin to notice the shape of trees, the color of sky, the movement of water, and the changing light throughout the day. We discover that nature is full of small details that often go unnoticed in our busy life. One of the most beautiful things about nature is that it is always changing. The same landscape can look completely different in the morning, at sunset, or during different seasons. A mountain covered with snow creates a different feeling from the same mountain in spring. A quiet lake reflects light differently every hour. These changes give artists endless opportunities to explore new ideas. Watercolor help us capture the freshness and atmosphere of nature. Soft wash can create misty mountains and distant hills. Quick brushstroke can suggest grass moving in the wind. The natural flow of water on paper can create beautiful texture for clouds, river, and mist. Instead of painting every detail, watercolor encourages us to suggest and simplify what we see. Painting outdoor, also known as plein air painting, can be a wonderful experience. It allows us to connect directly with our surroundings. We can hear the birds, feel the breeze, and observe the changing light. This experience helps us create paintings that feel more alive and personal. Nature also teaches patience. Sometimes we wait for the night light or the perfect moment to paint. We learn that not every painting needs to be perfect. Each sketch and painting become a step in our artistic journey. Another important lesson nature teaches is appreciation. The more we paint natural places, the more we value and respect them. Through art, we can share the beauty of our environment with others and inspire people to protect it for future generations. Painting nature is not only about creating beautiful artwork, it is also about slowing down and enjoying the present moment. It gives us a chance to escape from screen, reduce stress, and reconnect with the world around us. Whether we paint a single flower, a quiet village, a flowing river, or a majestic mountain, every painting tells a story about our connection with nature. Each brushstroke becomes a memory of a place, a feeling, or a special moment. In conclusion, painting nature with watercolor helps us observe more deeply, appreciate our surroundings, and express our creativity. It teaches patience, improve our skills, and bring peace to our mind. Most important, it reminds us that beauty can be found everywhere if we take the time to look closely. Thank you so much and happy painting.